In this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn groups for your marketing, for your business marketing. Yes, guys, if you're not using LinkedIn groups for your marketing, so you are losing tons of business, lots of clients. Yes, that's true. Because LinkedIn groups are one of the very useful properties that LinkedIn have. Because LinkedIn groups are not like any other platforms group like Facebook group or maybe other social media platform. Like because in LinkedIn only professionals are here, and if you are joining a group, that means you will get some value, and you need to provide some value to the group as well. And in this video, I'm going to give you the proper idea, and I'm going to reveal the proper strategies which you can follow in order to do your marketing in LinkedIn groups and do in a healthy way, right? It will not look like that you are trying to sell something, right? Also, in the previous videos, I've already talked about that if you create your LinkedIn group, how you can manage your LinkedIn group, how you can maintain the quality of your LinkedIn group. But what if you join the LinkedIn group, right? So this video is for you if you are joining multiple LinkedIn groups from your industry, from your niche, and you want to do the marketing for your business. So let's start with the video. So first of all, there is a question that arises that do you really join LinkedIn groups? Does LinkedIn groups are really helpful for your business? And the answer is yes. You should join groups because these groups are very helpful. These groups are very useful in order to get clients, in order to get idea about the industry, in order to get updates from your industry, from your niche, right? So you should join these groups. Now let's start with the points or the strategies. The first strategy is encourage discussion and ask questions. This is kind of a strategy, or you can say a simple tip that you need to follow in order to be in the limelight of that particular group in which you are encouraging discussions and asking questions. Because let's say if you have joined group but you are not doing any activity, you are not nothing doing, you are not doing at all, that means people will not notice you. And definitely if the members group members are not able to notice you, then definitely they will not be interested to know about you, right? So in order to make them interested to know about yourself, you need to encourage the discussions so that you can be in the limelight, and you need to ask the questions so that people can answer and they can notice you that you are one of the engaging member in this group, right? And then gradually they will be interested to know about yourself, that what you do, what kind of business or what kind of service product you provide, right? So this is how you can indirectly do your marketing. Now the second point is contribute to community. So obviously you, if you have joined the group, there might be a purpose of joining the group, right? And the one of the goal can be to get some clients, but that not should be the only goal to get the clients from group or to get the business from group, right? That not should that shouldn't be the only goal of yours. Why it is like that? Because if you are joining a group or you are joining a community, so it is important to contribute from your side as well, because you are getting benefited from others, so you need to provide your contribution as well. So how you can provide your contribution? By by sharing quality content, by providing quality content, help, and your knowledge, your experience which you have in the industry or the niche, right? So this is how you can contribute to the community. And definitely this is also one more thing to be in the limelight. Now the third point is be helpful, don't be selu. Selu means the person who try to sell every time, right? Don't just promote or promote your service or the product. Try to be helpful, and if you are being helpful, then definitely people will ask you that what product or the service you provide, right? But if you are just promoting your product or the services, then definitely nobody will be interested in your product or services. And at end of the day, due to over promoting, the group admin will get frustrated from you, and they might remove you from the group as well. So keep this thing in mind, that you have to be helpful, don't have to be sale. That tries to sell their product or services, right? Now, the fourth point is try to recognize and connect with experts. So connecting with experts is very helpful because they have good amount of experience, good amount of knowledge in the industry. So if you are connecting with those experts, they have connections as well. And if, let's say, you are connecting with 100 normal peoples and just only 10 experts, so expert can give you more business because they have more connections, even useful connections. They can provide you business. So try to recognize that who is the expert in this group, who is the experienced person, who have more knowledge, better knowledge, and try to connect with them and try to uh, make a good relationship with them, right? Now, if you don't know how to start a conversation with those experts, let's say you have find out that uh, this group has 2 or 3 experts who have maybe 20 or 30 years of experience in this industry, but you don't have the knowledge that how to start the conversation, how to go forward with the conversation. So you can watch our video which we have created in this course itself, and that is full guide on messaging, where you can learn how to start conversation, how to ice break, right? And these are very important because if you don't know how to do conversation with any person, then definitely you will be not able to create a good relationship in future, right? So keep this uh, in mind that if you are going to start a conversation, you better watch this video in our the playlist, and you will learn some good knowledge that how to start a conversation, right? So let's wrap up this video here. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Also, if you have any suggestions, please comment down below. I'll be very thankful and the suggestions will be appreciated, right? So let's finish this conversation here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.